putting that together.
The Master of Ceremony, distinguished guests, members of the South Pacific Boxing Organization, all passionate boxing enthusiasts gathered here today, ladies and gentlemen. And a very good evening to you all. I stand before you as the Honorable Minister of Youth and Sports, filled with immense pride and excitement to officiate in this grand event. First of all, I wish to extend to you warm greetings from the Honorable Prime Minister and your coalition government. The Blockbuster event hosted by the South Pacific Boxing Organizations is indeed a very remarkable event. We've seen a lot of our visitors from overseas that are gathered here tonight. I would like us to put our hands together for our friends from overseas. Fiji has always been a nation that embodies determination, strength, and resilience. And there is no other sport that personifies these qualities more than boxing. It is a sport that pushes individuals beyond their limits, challenging them to face adversity head-on and to conquer their fears. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our friends from Australia, bringing their talent and expertise to our shores. It is an honor to have 6 boxers from Australia joining us tonight, along with the esteemed IBO supervisor, Mr. Justin Kennedy. Your presence here adds a touch of international flair to this event, and we are grateful for your participation. This Blockbuster event not only showcases the best from Fiji and Australia, but also provides an amazing opportunity for 2 local title bouts to take center stage. Our local boxers have trained relentlessly, sacrificing countless hours to perfect their craft. Today, they step into the ring as symbols of perseverance and dedication, representing our nation with immense pride. But let us not forget the true essence of this event: the passion, the adrenaline, the sheer thrill that boxing brings to our lives. Each punch thrown and every dodge executed will be met with cheers from the crowd, igniting a fire within the hearts of both boxers and spectators alike. Let us revel in the raw excitement, the tense anticipation, and the joyous celebration that will permeate this venue. Beyond the captivating spectacle unfolding before our eyes, this event signifies something deeper. It represents the unwavering commitment of the South Pacific Boxing Organization to uplift the sport of boxing in Fiji. It is through their tireless efforts and fervent belief in the potential of our local talent that we have been able to bring world-class events such as these to our beloved nation. Sports have remarkable power to unite people, transcending differences and fostering a sense of camaraderie. Today, as we witness these boxers exchange blows within the ring, let us remember the unifying force that binds us all together, our shared love for the sport. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the South Pacific Boxing Organization, their sponsors, and all those who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this event a reality. Your dedication and commitment to promoting boxing in Fiji and providing a platform for our local talent to shine is truly admirable. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, I urge you all to immerse yourselves in the magic of this blockbuster event. Let us stand as one, supporting our local fighters and embracing the sportsmanship that lies at the core of boxing. May this day be etched in our memories a testament to the indomitable spirit of Fiji, both inside and outside the ring. Thank you, and let the blockbuster event and those that participate tonight enjoy the sports that we all admire. Thank you very much.
At the final round.
Scored it 58 to 56 in favour of Ronald Nadi. Judge Aminiasi Finau scores it 57 to 57, a draw. And Judge Johnny Laloma scores it 58